Gemini. So, magandang araw po sa mga kapatid natin kung nasaan man tayong lugar, nasa Europa, Amerika, Australia, sa Pilipinas. So, welcome po sa Scorp Works Tarot Tagalog Tarot Reading. So, i-Google Translate na lang nila yung in Tagalog. So, OFW friends, so OFW din ako kaya alam kong ang pinagdadaanan niyan. So, kamusta po kayo? So, July 15 to 21 itong reading natin. So, weekend ngayon. So, weekend, normally ginagawa ko itong reading on a weekend. So, relax mode. So, relax mode po tayo. So, there's always busy day, but we should find time to connect. So, tignan natin ang reading, ang message for Gemini. Sa mga kaibigan natin, Gemini, the twin. Gemini, always looking for air sign. Balance. Oops. Ayun. Tignan natin, Gemini. Okay. Huwag na magtampo kung natapon na yung laman ng tasa. Huwag ng mga lumbaba. Mayroon pang natitira. It's perspective yan eh. Perspective. Wala nang wala nang drama. Okay, ayan nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Okay. Ayan nga bang ayan, nasa isip talaga. Okay, 7 of Cups. Okay. Emotion. Okay, walang masamang I'm not saying that it's bad na magdrama. Kailangan minsan natin yan, damahin natin, and if you don't feel it, i-set aside. What's the proper word doon? Okay. Ano ba yung dapat nating ayusin? O meron kang niluluto, o meron kang naluto, o meron kang pinagpipilian na nasayang. Is it relationship ba to? Relationship na merong ano ba yung pinagkaka-stress out mo lately na hindi ka makatulog? Okay, very powerful yung mind natin. Minsan, yun na nagke-create ng reality natin. Okay. Ano ba yung pinagdadaanan ni Gemini? Very heavy tong na ito. 4 of Cups. May offer pa naman sa iba eh. May binigay yung universe na hindi mo napapansin sa choices na ito. Minsan maganda yung maraming option eh. Pero minsan din yun, detrimental din. Tayo nagiging walang pag palaging may sobra minsan masama din. Correct? Madaming kwalta, madaming utang, maraming trabaho. Okay, I think I can sense here na okay, you find that equilibrium. Okay? This week medyo stressful itong week na ito. Itulog mo na lang. Okay, that's what I can see here. Okay? Okay? There's nothing we can do on something na we are out of control. Okay, but there's a message here somehow. Let me get another card. Ano ba ito? Kuha lang ako ng isa. Oops, mabilis ito Okay, ayan pala fairness eh. Okay, kung ano man yung yung iniisip mo na yan, okay, you're just looking for what is right and what is equilibrium point, what is the balancing act, ika nga. Okay, nandyan siya. Okay. When you're making that choice, okay, you should come on a clear head. Okay. Sometimes the heart is telling us something, but the head is totally different. Is telling us a different thing. Ano ba yung sinabi ko? Yeah, okay. So, chillax lang tayo, Gemini. Okay, you're looking for that balance na being the air sign and looking for that kakambal, the twin Gemini. So, yeah, it's still a positive energy. So, it's all more on mental side that magaling dyan yung Gemini. Very strong head sila. Okay, yeah, yun ang ating message, Gemini. So, I wish you the best. Have a great week ahead.